In this video, I will solve a question that was asked in JEE Advanced 2023. In the question, xi and fi, that means value of xi and its corresponding frequency are given. We write xi in first column and fi in second column. Now we find product of xi and fi and write in this column 3 times 5 is equal to 15, 8 times 2 is equal to 16. In this way, up to here, 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Now we add all these fi from 5 to 4. This becomes 20 and denote this sum by sigma fi. Again, we add all these xi fi from 15 to 16. Then sum is 120. Denote this sum by sigma xi fi. Then this is formula for mean. Mean is denoted by x bar. X bar is equal to sigma xi fi divided by sigma fi. Value of sigma xi fi is 120 and value of this fi, sigma fi is 20. 120 by 20, that is equal to 6. Therefore, mean is 6. Now, in this column, we find value of xi minus x bar, mod of xi minus x bar. But x bar is 6, therefore we will find value of mod of xi minus 6. 3 minus 6 will be minus 3 and its mod will be 3. In this way, we write value in this column. Now we multiply value of this column with value of this column. That means we find value of fi times mod of xi minus x bar. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. In this way, we write in this column from 15 to 8. Now we add all of these from 15 to 8. And we get the sum 54. We denote this sum by sigma fi times mod of xi minus x bar. Now this is formula, mean deviation about mean, denoted by this m dot d dot x bar. This is equal to sigma fi times mod of xi minus x bar divided by sigma fi. Therefore, this will be equal to 54 by 20. And this will be equal to 2.7. Now, we write xi in ascending order. That means in increasing order. And their corresponding frequency in this second column. Now we find cumulative frequency. Here is 5, so we write 5. Here is 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. This 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. This 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. This 20 is actually sigma fi. Now, sigma fi by 2 is equal to 20 by 2, which is equal to 10. That means 10th observation and 11th observation. 10th observation and 11th observation are in the middle. Therefore, median denoted by capital M will be obtained by 10th observation plus 11th observation by 2. This is now up to this 4, up to 4 occurs 4 times. Up to this 4 there are 9 observations, but up to 5 there are 13 observations. That means 10th observation and 11th observation both are 5. Therefore, in place of 10th observation we write 5, in place of 11th observation also we write 5. 5 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, median is 5. Now we find xi minus m, mod of xi minus m. Since m is 5, therefore we will find value of mod of xi minus 5. 3 minus 5 will be minus 2, and mod of minus 2 will be 2. 4 minus 5 will be minus 1, and mod of minus 1 will be 1. In this way, we write numbers in this column. Now we multiply number in this column with number in this column, frequency. 5 times 2 is equal to 10, 4 times 1 is equal to 4. In this way, we write up to this 18. Now we add all number in this column from 10 to 18, and we get the sum 48. This is denoted by sigma fi, mod of xi minus m. Now, mean deviation about mean denoted by this is equal to sigma fi, mod of xi minus m divided by sigma fi. Value of this is equal to 48, and value of sigma fi is equal to 20. 48 divided by 20 gives 2.4. Now read this question.